Hello, Dr. Mahgerefteh. My name is Joe Sales Jr., and I'm from NV Digital Solutions, a digital marketing agency. I know this video is a little bit different, but I happen to have been doing some research on chiropractors in the Antelope Valley, and I discovered that you are not competing online with your company's website, but instead you're competing using your personal Google business profile. So I figured I'd make a quick video and take a few moments to share a few tips on how you can beat out your competition online using your Google business profile. But first, I want to show you a couple of important things that you should probably share with your webmaster. The things that I want to share with you are that, number one, your website doesn't have calls to action above the fold, meaning when I look at the screen before I scroll, you don't have anything like your website phone number up here at the top of the page or a button on the page telling you to, call now or act now or something like that. Let's have a look at another website that has the calls to action like I'm talking about. When I look at Atlas Healthcare here in the Palmdale area, I see that they have a big, strong reference to their phone number on the page. And then down here, they have a contact us button with the call, today phone number right here above it, a call to action above the contact us. So this is what I think that your company website should be doing. The other thing that your company website is not doing is it's not taking advantage of the locations that you have. You have 5 locations, so you should be able to dominate the Palmdale Valley, and yet your website's not dominating the Palmdale Valley. But we'll get into what you are doing right and have a look at that. So let's get into it now. The things I want to discuss are your Google Business Profile, citations, and reviews. And then I have a bonus about your Google Business Profile that I want to share with you. Now, what I discovered, again, like I said, is that you're competing in your market with your personal business profile as opposed to the company business profile. And that's a good thing because when I look at the company profile, I'm not seeing a lot of citations. I'm not seeing some of the things that I would want to see on the company profile. Like you have 50 reviews, but you're rated a 3.9. So I'm not going to focus on this. What I want to do is move on to your business profile, which I find immediately to be stronger with a 4.3 star rating in your reviews and having several citations showing immediately for you. So let's move back to the citations. You're doing an outstanding job with the citations, and I would recommend that for you to really work to dominate your niche, you want to have at least 200 to 300 citations to beat out your competitors. Because when I look up online, when I look up using Palmdale terms for chiropractors like Palmdale chiropractor, you're not showing in the top 3 of the 3-pack. When I look at chiropractor in Palmdale, again, you're not showing there. And best chiropractor in Palmdale, you're not showing there. Now, where are you coming up exactly? You're not showing in the first 4 or 5. It looks like in the best of. Let me see here. Looking at chiropractor in Palmdale, the same thing. You're not coming up in the first handful of them for me, and the same thing in Palmdale chiropractor. You're not pulling up in the first 4 or 5. So what that means is that you definitely need to do some more work on getting more citations. And again, like I said, you want to be in the neighborhood of between 200 and 300 citations to really get to the top of the heap in your market. Another thing that I'd like to mention here is your reviews. Now, I see that you have a 4.3 star rating. What that usually tells me is that you have mostly 5-star reviews and you had 1-star review. So when I look at here, I probably will see the same thing. 5-star, 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 1-star, 5-star, 5-star. And so the point here is that when you have reviews, one bad review can really damage you if you don't have enough reviews to protect your reputation online. And so my suggestion would be that you work on increasing your review status online by taking this link here and providing it to your clientele, to your patients, and asking for positive reviews. And there's a process to that you can learn, but basically you want to go out there and go after getting more positive reviews. The last little tip that I wanted to share with you is that you'll benefit by doing something that you might not have thought of. Google Business Profile offers a website that you can put on your Google Business Profile. And the benefit of that website is it gives you the opportunity to present content in the same way as a website by essentially demonstrating your experience, your expertise, your authoritativeness, your trustworthiness, and having other sites link back to it. And since it is a Google product within the Google Business Profile, it's going to be ranking highly based on that if you work it and apply it. So basically, in conclusion here, what I wanted to say is that you have some really good opportunities here with your business profile, and that's to continue going after more citations and to use it to increase your star rating. And those things will help you be able to get more traffic in a very easy way. Well, that's it. That's all I have here. And so I hope this has been educational for you. If you'd like to know more about how Envy can help you outperform your competition, reach out and get back with me. Otherwise, I hope that you can put this information to work for you and to be able to help you improve your Google Business Profile. Please give me feedback on this video and your thoughts if you have a chance. And otherwise, have a great day.